AI is powerful, but is it fair? Today, we delve into the ethical considerations and implications of artificial intelligence. AI's prowess in processing vast amounts of data raises privacy concerns. Consider facial recognition technology. While enhancing security, it could infringe on personal privacy if misused. The integration of AI into industries such as manufacturing could lead to job displacement. AI-powered robots may replace certain forms of human labor, creating serious challenges for workers and employment. Our growing dependence on AI systems also brings heightened risks of cyber attacks. Imagine a compromised AI system managing an entire city's power grid. The consequences could be dire. AI, especially machine learning, often functions as a black box. This means that it can be difficult to understand exactly how an AI system reaches a decision. This lack of transparency becomes especially concerning in critical areas such as healthcare and criminal justice. AI systems can also unintentionally perpetuate human biases. For instance, a recruitment system trained on historical data from a male-dominated industry might unfairly favor male candidates. Fortunately, there are ways to reduce these biases. These include using diverse training data, applying fairness-focused algorithms, improving transparency, and regularly testing AI systems. For example, developers can adjust training data to ensure that different groups are represented fairly. Ethical AI requires transparency, fairness, privacy, and accountability. Regulations are beginning to emerge, including the European Union's Artificial Intelligence Act. However, international cooperation and shared ethical standards are still needed. AI's impact on society is vast and complex. It can automate repetitive tasks, encourage innovation, and help solve major problems. At the same time, it may contribute to job displacement, privacy violations, discrimination, and security risks. As we navigate the future of AI, it is crucial that everyone takes part in shaping how this technology is used. In our next videos, we'll talk about the future of AI, where it is heading, and how it could change the way we learn, work, and live. If you want to keep learning AI in a simple and beginner-friendly way, make sure to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and share it with someone who wants to build future-ready skills. So stay connected, keep learning with us, and we'll see you in the next video.